Xiaomi Mi Note 10 and Mi Note 10 Pro will receive screens with a frequency of 120Hz and 50x zoom. The presentation will take place in a few days. The regulator confirms the upcoming release of the smartphone Xiaomi Mi Note 10. 2 weeks ago, it became known that Xiaomi intends to restart the Mi Note family of smartphones by releasing a new model for the first time since 2017. Now this information has been confirmed by one of the regulators. Recall that the last model in the named series was the Mi Note 3 device, released more than 2 years ago. Recently, the blogger Ice Universe reported that the next device in the family will be the Mi Note 10 smartphone. Indian insider Sudhanshu Ambore on his Twitter page posted information about the new smartphones of the Chinese company Xiaomi. He said that in addition to the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 smartphone, the company will also introduce the Mi Note 10 Pro model. These smartphones pass under model numbers M1910F4G and M190F4S respectively. Earlier, it was reported that presentation of Xiaomi Mi Note 10 was supposed to take place on October 24, but the insider noted that it was postponed to the next week. Presumably, the announcement will take place on October 29. There are still no official data on the technical characteristics of the device. Rumors attribute the smartphone to a single-chip system Snapdragon 855 Plus, a screen with refresh rate of 120Hz, and a camera with a 50x zoom. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.